Plug it like this. Yeah. Yes, so.
I'm so excited.
Guys, gather around. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you the latest gist. Oh God. Today, we, my sister and I entered a private jet. Like, do you know what that means? It's very hard to enter a private jet. But today, guys, we entered a private jet. We turned around. The really small would I'll just fly and get out of this place. Have you seen a private jet before? Do you know what it looks like? No? You want to know what a private jet looks like? Come along with me. I'm going to show you what a private jet looks like. Enjoy.
Good afternoon, sir. We've met him before. Private jets. Like, oh my god, I'm head over heels excited right now. Hey, come along with me, come along with me. Sir, you have mentors. I have mentors. My name is Wanda. Yes, sir. Wanda Shoei. Yeah, we're about to enter a private jet. Hey. See the steps entering. Oh my god. This is a cockpit. Guys, look at it. Oh my god. Let's we'll come back here. Wonderful. Life is good. People of God, seek for a better life.